Hello everyone, today we will teach you how to install Aorita ACF release film. First, we needed to prepare silicone pads, alcohol, non-woven fabrics, and hexagonal wrenches. Firstly, use the wrenches to remove all the screws on the resin tank and remove the damaged release film. Secondly, wipe the clips with non-woven cloth and alcohol to clean the resin residue on the trough. Now let's first demonstrate the mistake of tearing off the protective film of ACF film. Take out an unused piece of Aorita ACF film and start to peel off the protective film. If there are certain corners when tearing off the protective film failure to flatten the protective film, it will damage the release film and leave creases. When the release film has a lot of creases, which means that this release film can no longer be used, forcible use may result in unsatisfactory model results or leakage. So we come up with the new insulation structure ACF film launched by Aorita, which is easy to tear off and install, allowing you to improve the efficiency of installation and say goodbye to the troubles during the installation process. Below, we show how to install the new Aorita ACF film. First, we slowly tear it apart from one corner. Our ACF film has undergone special reshaping and cutting treatment, which can avoid the rolling up of the ACF film during the installation and tearing process. When installing, we should pay attention to the front and back sides. The side with the label is facing the resin side. Note that the blue color is a protective film. Please do not use it. Before installing the screws, we need to use a bottle cap under the release film to prevent the release film from being installed too tightly. And then we use the tools to install the screws in sequence. After installation, use a cutter to cut off any excess corners. Observe the condition of the trough film, and then wipe it with alcohol. Next, we need a leveler. The machine. If you are using the ACF film for the first time, you need to level it. If you have been using this kind of film, there is no need for leveling. Compared with the previous 0.15 million FEP film, the thickness of the ACF film is 0.3 million. We will use 3 pieces of A4 paper for leveling. After leveling we poured our resin and started painting. We can see that the calibration was successful. The machine started working, and our test model was quickly painted successfully.